Jai Gurudev, dear students, welcome again in the CVS class. Students, in the last class, I have explained you chapter number 9, that is My Family. And in this chapter, children, I have explained you about the family of a girl which name is Nidhi. Okay, so through the Nidhi, we have studied in this chapter about the all relatives, about the types of families also, like small families called nuclear family and big families called joint family. Okay, in this chapter I have explained you about the grandparents, uncle, aunt, and about their children which are called cousins. Okay, and all these things we have studied in this chapter. So today children, it is our exercise time. So in the form of these blanks also, last time I have explained you that they have shown pictures here, and about these pictures also you have to write all the words here. So you can write yourself. Okay, and now, this is the main exercise which is given in your book in the form of fill in the blanks using the correct words from the clue box. So children, here they have written grandparents, big, nuclear, share, cousins. So these words we have to fill in these blanks. So first one is Nidhi's family is a dash family. You know children, Nidhi's family was a nuclear family. Okay, because she has a small family with only their parents, they live. Okay, so this is about the nuclear. My uncle's children are my dash. So our uncle's children are our cousins. Okay, that are called, they are called cousins. My father's parents are my dash. You know children, your father's parents are your grandparents. Okay, so here grandparents given, it is filled here. A joint family is a dash family. So joint family is a big family. So big we will fill in the fourth blank. And fifth one is we share dash with our family members. What we share with our family members? Everything means happiness, joy, or problems. Everything we share with our family members. So share word will come here in the last blank. So after this, children, in the next exercise they have given, what do you call the following members of your family in your language? Means in your language what you call your these family members, and write their date of birth too. So here two blanks they have given. In first blank you write that what you call these relations. Okay, means father's mother, आपके जो पापा की मम्मा हैं उनको आप क्या कहते हो, घर में आप कैसे बुलाते हो. जैसे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं दादी जी. ओके, हियर जी विल कम. ओके, सो दादी जी. एंड फादर्स फादर मीन्स आपके पापा के जो पापा हैं उनको आप क्या बुलाते हो, दादाजी. ओके, सो इन द सेम वे फादर्स यंगर सिस्टर, आपके पापा की जो छोटी बहन है अगर है तो उसको आप क्या बुलाओगे, बुआ. ओके, एंड फोर्थ इज मदर्स हस्बैंड, आपकी मम्मा के जो हस्बैंड है वो आपके क्या कहलाएंगे? पापा. ओके. एंड अंकल्स वाइफ, आपके जो अंकल हैं उनकी वाइफ आपकी क्या लगेंगी? वो चाची. ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस वे whatever you call in your language, if you are that related to some other states, then these words can be changed by your language. Okay. So you can ask your mother father also, and you should also know that how we call our these all the relations. So children, here they have asked for two things. Here I have written according to my knowledge, and you have to write their date of birth. Means here you have to write the date of birth your Dadaji. Here write the date of birth your here first one is Dadi ji date of birth, then Dadaji date of birth, then Bua की date of birth, then Papa की, और उसके बाद चाची की. Okay, so you have to write the date of birth of your these relatives and their relations, what you call in your language, that also you have to write. Okay children, so this is about the exercise of your book. So except this we will do the question answers, as well as I'll give you match the columns also in this chapter. And as you know children, before this we will write at the starting of the chapter we will write new words also. Okay, so first we will write new words, then I'll give you question answers, and after question answers we will write about the match the columns. Okay, because match the columns also will come in your test sometimes. So let's start with the chapter number 9, my family. So these are the new words. First new word is nuclear, second is grandparents, third is uncle, fourth word is younger, fifth is cousins, sixth word is relatives, seventh is vacations. Vacations means जो लंबी छुट्टियां होती हैं, जैसे आपको समर वेकेशन होती है या विंटर वेकेशन, इन दिस वे vacations. Eight is surname. Okay, you know children, everybody has their surname, like we can say na, like you can take example of your name also. I can tell you example of any boy name like Amit Sharma. Okay, so Sharma is a surname of that boy. Like Priya Patel, so Priya is a name of any girl, and Patel is a surname. Okay, so ninth is enjoy. So 10th is share, 11th is happiness, 12th is problems. And after these 12 words children, next are the questions and answers. So after this, question number 1 is, what is a nuclear family? So children, what is a nuclear family? Answer is a family which is small in size and has 4 or 3. You can write here 4 or 3 you can write here. Means if any parent has 2 children, then they can be 4 members of the family, and if any parent have one child only, then they have 3 members in a family. So that's why I have written here in size, means small in size and has 4 or 3 members in um, 4 or 3 members is called a nuclear family. Okay children, so small family is called a nuclear family, in which only 3 or 4 members are there. So second question is, what is a joint family? So children, what is a joint family? You know, joint family is a big family in which grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and their children also live together. Okay. So let's see. Answer number 2 is a family in which our parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts and their children live together is called a joint family. Okay, so children, this is the definition of joint family, means जिसमें हमारे parents, हमारे दादा दादी, हमारे अंकल आंटी और साथ में उनके बच्चे भी एक साथ एक फैमिली में रहते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? जॉइंट फैमिली. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज हु आर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स? So children, who are our grandparents? You know that parents of our father or mother is known as grandparents. So children, you know that हमारे जो पापा के पेरेंट्स होते हैं, ओके, मीन्स हमारे दादा दादी या नाना नानी जो होते हैं वो कौन हो कहलाते हैं? हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव रिटन हियर पेरेंट्स ऑफ आवर फादर और मदर, मीन्स या पापा के या मम्मी के पेरेंट्स, दे आर नोन एज आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. So question number 4 is, why is family important? Children, you should know that family is very important for us. But why? Why family is important? Question number 4 is, everyone in our family shares work, happiness and problems together. That's why family is important. Means children, what is written here in this chapter, this question, in this answer, that why family is important to us? Because everyone which is living in the family, they share work, happiness. मीन्स जब हमें कोई काम करना होता है तभी हम मिलजुल के सारे काम बांट के कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो जब हम खुश होते हैं या हमें खुशी का सेलिब्रेट करना है तब भी हम उसको शेयर करते हैं सबके साथ. और जब हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं तो प्रॉब्लम्स को भी हम सारी फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ शेयर करते हैं. दैट्स वाई फैमिली इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज, व्हाट आर children of our uncle called? So what we call the children of our uncle? The children of our uncle are called cousins. Children, that cousins कौन होते हैं? जो हमारे अंकल आंटी के बच्चे होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? cousins. ओके, हिंदी में तो आप भाई बहन ही बोल लेते हो, बट दे आर इन इंग्लिश यू कैन कॉल योर कजन्स. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस, दीज आर द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. सो आफ्टर दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, चिल्ड्रन, हियर match the columns. I have written here, match the followings. So here 5 words are there on the left hand side. So you can see joint family, nuclear family, father's parents, uncle's wife, and uncle's children. So children, here on this side also 5 words are written here: cousins, big family, aunt, small family, and grandparents. So you have to match all the words. So here first word is joint family. So children, joint family we match with the big family, because you know that joint family is a big family. Okay. And nuclear family is a small family. So here nuclear family we match with the small family. And third one is father's parents. You know, आपके जो पापा के पेरेंट्स हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो फादर्स पेरेंट्स मैच विद द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. एंड uncle's wife match with the aunt, because our uncle's wife is called as aunt. ओके, आंटी बोलते हैं ना अंकल की वाइफ को. सो फिफ्थ वन इज अंकल्स चिल्ड्रन. अंकल के बच्चों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? जस्ट नो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू इन द लास्ट आंसर, कजन्स. ओके, सो अंकल के चिल्ड्रन क्या होते हैं? कजन्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, this is all about the question answers and your exercise part. So I'll send you these all the things through the PDF. So you should note down all these things in your EVS notebook. Okay, whatever I have written in the notebook, that part you write in the notebook, and whatever exercises I have explained you in the book, that you only fill in your book. Okay, these exercises don't write in your copy. No need to write in copy. You can learn from the book, but fill with the help of pencil in your book also. Okay, so children, this is all about your chapter number 9. So Jai Gurudev.